about the smell and the taste here. Hello people, how are you guys doing today? As for me, I am doing great. Thank you for coming one more time, and for all my new friends, subscriber, a warm welcome for you. I hug you all tightly. So I decided to share this quick recipe, light soup recipe with you guys today. And as you guys can see, I have my white eggplant here. That's what I'm cutting right now. I'm gonna proceed and cut those 3 white eggplant and mix them with these little mini bell peppers. Add some onion on top of it and put it on fire for 5 minutes. Don't forget to add water. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna proceed and blend them all together and proceed to my light soup cooking. So guys, if you have some time, just sit back, relax and enjoy this my quick video with me. Thank you for your time. I love you. God bless you. Thank you. Yeah, this is the seasoning. These 3 I'm gonna use for my light soup. I have ginger here. I like a lot of ginger in my light soup. Ginger, garlic, and some anise seed. So I'll go ahead and blend this. I have my onion, the red pepper, and the other thing, my eggplant on the stove right now is boiling, and you can imagine the smell there. So okay, my chicken is ready, and this is the broth from the chicken. All I have to make these recipes is those are the stuff. I have some smoked herring, some okra, just a few of them. I have this smoked fish. I have this is my blended spice that I showed you guys before, the anise seed, garlic, and ginger. And this is the one that I bought, the bell peppers, the mini bell peppers, onion, and some eggplant. And this is some of my boiled chicken. So I'm making 2 recipes for my boiled chicken. This is all I'm using for this one, the last soup. Okay, so my broth is about to boil, and without waiting, I'm adding all my cook spice to it. So I'm adding a little bit of water to this, and without waiting, I'm going to add my smoked herring. I already rinsed them. Yeah, they are all rinsed. And I will be adding the okra also, because all these ingredients are, most of them are cooked, so this will not last too long on the fire, so on the heat. So I'll be covering this for 5 minutes. Okay, it's beautifully boiling. This simmer. Okay, and imagine yourself the taste here with the smoked herring. I just wanted to get smoke in the, like, moist in this water. So now I'll be adding a little bit of seasoning to it. Oh man, I wish I have the smell fish, guys. I don't have my smell fish, but I think this herring and my fish will do the business as well. So now I'll be adding my fish. And the chicken at the same time. This light soup doesn't need to last on the heat too much. Don't leave it on the fire that long. Okay guys, just something that will quickly fix under 20 minutes and you are done. Quick fix under 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. If we have enough salt, because I use a lot of broth from the chicken. Okay guys, I'll be needing a little bit of salt and a little bit of chicken broth. That will be all. So everything is well combined. Guys, I don't want to talk about the smell and the taste here. So this light soup is ready guys. Nothing much, nothing fancy, but very sweet. I'm telling you guys, very good. Imagine the smell around here. Oh yeah, my people, my soup is ready. I am inviting you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish with my fufu process, okay? Thank you.